aeroplane?
Meow, meow. An aeroplane.
Yes, kitty, it's an aeroplane.
I like aeroplanes. Meow.
Yes, kitty, I know. Do you know how the aeroplanes fly?
No. Meow.
Okay then, I can tell you.
Meow.
A plane's engines are designed to move it forward at high speed. That makes air flow rapidly over the wings. Kitty, did you know aeroplane wings are shaped to make air move faster over the top of the wing?
No.
Oh, then it is. The wings of an aeroplane are shaped to make air move faster over the top of the wing than the bottom of the wing. And when air moves faster, the pressure of the air decreases. So, the pressure on the top of the wing is less than the pressure on the bottom of the wing.
Meow. And then?
And then it creates a force on the wind that lifts the wing up into the air because of the difference in pressure.
Amazing.
Yes, kitty, and this is also called as the Bernoulli's principle.
Who is Bernoulli?
Daniel Bernoulli was a Swiss mathematician and a physicist. And Bernoulli's principle helps explain that an aircraft can achieve lift because of the shape of its wings. They are shaped so that the air flows faster over the top of the wing and slower underneath. The high air pressure underneath the wings will therefore push the aircraft up through the lower air pressure.
Oh, now I got it. Meow.
That's great, and it's almost lunchtime.
Lunch. I want fish. Meow.
Let's go.